Hello and welcome to the Economic Times Global Capabilities Centers Growth Summit 2025, Hyderabad. I am Apurva Shukla and with me is Ms. Gopali Contractor, who's the lead Center for Advanced AI, Accenture in India. Hi. The first question I would like to ask you is in the era of Gen AI, how can GCCs drive innovation for their parent organizations?
Thanks, Apurva. I think GCCs have already made a mark globally in driving a lot of technology conversations. But with business leaders now in India, there is no other way but to drive generative AI conversations or reinventing process conversations from India. So I think from an execution arm to now an innovation arm, the GCCs are positioned really well in their particular organizations to do what they need to do.
Another question to you is how's your overall experience at the summit and what exactly are you expecting from this summit?
It's been amazing. I've met about 10, 12 odd clients, which is where I love to be, right in front of clients. And we've had a very intriguing discussion on generative AI, how they're adopting it, what are the challenges they're facing. So it's been a two-way learning process. And of course, being from Accenture and being at an event that Accenture has hosted, it's been just amazing. So thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for the amazing insights, Gopali. Stay tuned to ETCIO to know more about what's happening right here at this event.